Hello everyone, and welcome to Slow Spoken English.
I'm Diana.
And I'm Richard. Tonight, we're having dinner at a restaurant.
Neither of us felt like cooking.
That may have been the easiest decision we've made all week.
During the conversation, we'll ask 5 comprehension questions to test your listening skills.
Listen for what we order, where things are, and what happens during dinner.
Don't forget to subscribe to Slow Spoken English for more slow, natural conversations weekly.
All right, our table is ready.
This is nice.
And we have a table near the window.
I'm glad we booked ahead. It looks busy tonight.
The waiter has brought the menus.
What are you thinking of ordering?
Probably the grilled chicken with vegetables.
That sounds healthy.
I haven't ordered dessert yet.
There it is.
What about you?
I think I'll have the pasta with tomato and mushrooms.
And chips?
Yes, a small bowl to share.
To share is a very flexible phrase.
It means half for you and half for me.
I was afraid of that.
Comprehension question 1. What main meal does Richard choose?
I choose the grilled chicken with vegetables.
What would you like to drink?
Sparkling water, please.
I'll have still water.
The waiter says the chicken will take about 20 minutes.
That's fine. We're not in a hurry.
Good, because I'm already looking at the dessert menu.
We haven't eaten dinner yet.
I like to plan ahead.
Of course you do.
Comprehension. Question 2. What kind of water does Diana order?
I order still water.
Your pasta looks good.
So does your chicken.
And the chips are conveniently between us.
Richard,
What?
you said we would share them.
I am sharing. I've left several.
You've eaten most of them.
Time moves quickly at dinner.
That is not how chips disappear.
Would you like me to order another bowl?
Yes, please.
Comprehension question 3. Why do we order another bowl of chips?
Because Richard ate most of the first bowl.
I'm going to wash my hands. Do you know where the toilet is?
The waiter said it's near the front entrance, beside the stairs.
Thanks. Don't eat all the new chips while I'm gone.
I make no promises.
That seems fair.
Comprehension question 4. Where is the toilet?
It's near the front entrance, beside the stairs.
Are you ready for dessert now?
I've been ready since we arrived.
There's chocolate cake, fruit salad, and ice cream.
Chocolate cake.
Immediately?
I've thought carefully about it for at least 3 seconds.
Let's share one piece.
You remember what happened with the chips?
Yes. That's why I'll keep the plate on my side.
Very wise.
That was good. Shall we ask for the bill?
Yes, the waiter says the total is $68.
We can split it.
Perfect.
Comprehension question 5. How much is the bill?
The bill is $68.
Let's review 6 useful expressions for when you're at a restaurant.
To book ahead means to arrange a table before you arrive.
A main meal is the most important part of the meal.
To share means 2 or more people use or eat something together.
Still water is water without bubbles.
The front entrance is the main place where people enter.
And the bill tells you how much you need to pay.
Now it's your turn. Pause after each question and answer in a complete sentence.
Question 1. What do you usually order at a restaurant?
Question 2. Do you prefer still water or sparkling water?
Question 3. Do you like sharing food with friends?
Question 4. What makes a restaurant enjoyable for you?
Well, thanks for having dinner with us.
And if you enjoyed this episode, please like and subscribe to Slow Spoken English for more natural conversations.
Ready to go?
Yes, although I'm still thinking about the chocolate cake.
You just ate half of it.
Exactly. I'm remembering it fondly. Cheers, everyone.
See you next time.